Welcome back to the final installment on inequality by division. Let's get started. You're asked to determine the solution set of the inequality 2x plus 12 greater than 42. So here's how we do it. 2x plus 12 is greater than 42. You can add negative 12 on both sides, which would make it 2x is greater than 30. If you divide by 2 on both sides, x is greater than 50. And that's the solution set for the inequality 2x plus 12 greater than 42. So here we have 8 minus 7x less than or equal to 11x plus 4. You can get rid of the negative 7x by adding 7x on both sides, which would make it 8 less than or equal to 18x plus 4. And you can get rid of the 4 by subtracting 4 on both sides. So 4 less than 18x. You can get rid of the 18 by dividing 18 on both sides. So 4 over 18 less than or equal to x. This is the same as 2 over 9. So 2 over 9 less than or equal to x, or x greater than or equal to 2 over 9. Very simple problem. So here we have negative 5x plus 32 less than or equal to 38. So let's go ahead and solve the positive domain first. So we have negative 5x plus 32 less than or equal to 38. We can subtract negative 32 on both sides, which would make it 6. If we divide by negative 5 on both sides, it switches the sign of the inequality, and you get negative 6 over 5. Negative 6 over 5 is nothing but x greater than or equal to negative 1.2. Let's do the negative domain. So we have negative 5x plus 32 less than or equal to 38. So we can do negative 5x plus 32 greater than or equal to, this is less than, right? So greater than or equal to 38. We can add negative 32 on both sides, which would make it, what is it? Oh, we should make it, well, when we did that, we had to add the negative 38 here. If you add negative 32 on both sides, it makes it negative 70. If you divide by negative 5 on both sides, which means x is less than or equal to 14, sorry, LSX is less than or equal to 14. That means x is greater than or equal to negative 1.2 and is less than or equal to 14, which means this is the range, which means this is the only thing that captures it. These two are incorrect for a simple reason. Our 1.2 is negative. And then these are incorrect. This is incorrect because it said x is less than 14, not greater than 14. So that's incorrect. Because we were able to determine a solution, this choice is incorrect as well. All right, this is the last and final problem. This is actually a very interesting problem. We have not done one where we said the inequality has no solution. Hence, the correct answer is the inequality has no solution. That's the correct answer. Let's actually go and show how it's done. So we have negative 12 minus an absolute of negative 4y plus 52 greater than 32. This problem is actually easier than you may have imagined it to be. First, let's go ahead and get rid of the negative 12 by adding plus 12 on both sides, which would leave you with negative of negative absolute negative 4y plus 52 greater than 44. And you can get rid of the negative by dividing by negative throughout or multiplying, doesn't matter. So it's negative 4y plus 52 less than or equal to negative 44, right? Isn't that right? Right. Okay, here's the thing. The reason I said the inequality has no solution here is because this is an absolute value. An absolute value is always, whether it's negative a or a, it's always going to be greater than or equal to 0. The fact that it's saying that it's negative 44 tells you this inequality is it's got no solution. If you don't believe me, actually go ahead and solve the values for y and let me know what happened. You would see that while one component of the y might work, the other component would tell you what it's not given in the answer choice. And that's the way it's designed, so that you're supposed to get incorrect answers. In other words, the inequality has no solution, right? Thank you for watching. I'll see you with more content in SAT math problem and ACT math problems, right? So stay tuned.